Good day, I am Shirley Fernandez Logan, a registered midwife. We are six in the family, my mother, my father, and my three sisters. I am the second child of them. I am living with my parents right now. I am married and blessed with one daughter. Right after I graduated from midwifery and passed the exam, I was fortunately sponsored by my aunt to get another education in London, United Kingdom, to study the National Vocational Course in Health and Social Care for adults.
How long is that?
It's 3 years
3 years. So you went there to study in where in UK?
in London
Oh, so you stayed there for how long?
for 3 years.
3 years with a student visa.
Yeah.
Okay, what happened then?
As part of my vocational course for health and social care, I was allowed to work in a nursing home as caregiver. I work with a different patient, especially patients with dementia and bedridden.
Senile dementia like that. Oh. So mostly, how old? No? The range of the ages of the person or the age that you are caring.
Age from 70 to 95 years old.
Okay. And how long are you spending time for your studies?
I go to school 4 times a day, and the remaining days.
What do you mean 4 times a day?
go
4
to
hours.
school. From morning and afternoon, so it's 8 hours.
8 hours a day.
Yeah.
So in 1 week, how long? How many days, I mean, in 1 week?
It's 4 days.
You mean 4 days in 1 week. Okay. And 8 hours per day.
Yes.
So when did you go to work?
During weekends, like Saturday and Sunday.
So in every week, twice go to work, 4 times go to study. So you have 1 off day. And usually, how long did you work in 1 week?
We have a 6-hour shift at the nursing home and 12-hour shift. So I usually take the night shift so that it won't be conflict during my school days.
Okay. So where did you go? Finish already the visa?
I've gone home because my studies is finished and I am not allowed to stay any longer. Because I
Okay.
have to come home because my
Until when?
until my study finished, then my visa finished as well.
When?
April 2011.
Okay, since the time until now, what are you doing?
Since then, I was married to my husband. Then
Picking up in housewife.
I became plain housewife and I got pregnant, and then I was a hands-on mother to my daughter.
Okay, so but now, anytime employer needs you, you can go.
Yes,
Okay. So you are a registered midwife.
yes, ma'am.
So what more your employer can expect from you? Aside from caring children, caring elderly person, what else?
I
As
have
a house helper.
I have also had experience as a household helper because apart from being a caregiver in the United Kingdom, I also have a part-time job as a cleaner and a babysitting because
So you mean to say you have also
another part-time job to
Oh,
sustain my daily expenses, to pay for my school and my
So house cleaner, housework also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anytime you can go.
Yes, ma'am.
So this time, how long are you planning to work in Hong Kong?
It depends on my employer's contract.
2 years contract, of
Yes.
course. And willing to extend if given a chance.
Yes, and I'm willing to.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.